So this is the channel. If you're new on the channel, subscribe this channel for more related videos. It has 10k subs on YouTube. Okay, so we're gonna do a transaction. Right click and get inspect. Okay, wait for a few seconds to open that, then click console, and there's some information. It is a scam. It will give you access your money, so be aware. Make sure you're on new wallet and you have zero balance in the wallet. Okay, and clear everything from here and put your script. Right click, select all, right click again, copy that. Okay, and then minimize it and paste the script over here. Press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and this is the unconfirmed transaction. We just need a hash ID. Okay, copy to clipboard. It is something $4,790. Okay, and we're gonna confirm in my wallet. Click OK. As you can see what's written that. Okay, then once again click OK, once again OK. Clear everything from here, close everything. Okay, and let me show you this channel. Okay, this is the only real channel that I own. Another all channels are fake. They took my videos and edit them and upload them their channel to scam innocent people, so be aware from that. This is the only channel I own. Okay, so yeah, just refresh the balance and then see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. So let me show you the time. What's time in Pakistan? It's 1:52 p.m. Tuesday, 16 December 2025. Okay, let me refresh that once again. Okay, as you can see that on the number watermarks, so that may be difficult for you. Okay, and this is the channel. Okay, Bitcoin generator software, and it has 10k subs on YouTube, and this is the only real number on the WhatsApp. So yeah, and this is the transaction. It will confirm in maximum 1 hour. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's not confirmed right now, and don't be worried about these prices. It's up and down. As you know, BTC rate is so high, so it fluctuates. Main thing is that this amount. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next video.